Hello, my name is OP Singh and you are watching Filmy Buzz with OP. Tamil Nadu film industry. The problem is that Surya's 2D company, the name of the movie is Ponmagal Vandhal, is being released on OTT platform Prime Video and the world premiere is on 29th of May 2020. When the Surya's 2D entertainment company announced that they are going to release their film Ponmagal Vandhal on OTT platform, this message or this news has not gone with the theatre people in Tamil Nadu. They got angry or they are not happy with the reason taken by a 2D entertainment company, and what they said that if they are going for this feature film release on OTT platform, then they should release all their pictures on OTT platform only. They should not come to theatre. This Ponmagal Vandhal, the lead actress is Jyotika, who is wife of Surya, and film was supposed to release on 27th of March 2020, but this COVID-19 problem, due to this pandemic, the date was postponed. And meanwhile, something developed. This Prime Video people, they have approached Surya and they, for a good margin, they have sold this movie to Prime Video. And Prime Video has already announced that the world premiere will be held on 29th of May 2020. You can see here the clip of interview given by the General Secretary of Tamil Nadu Theatres Owners Association, R. Paneer Selvam. He is not happy and they are considering to ban Surya, and it is of course going to affect the big budget movie of Surya's Surari Potru. That is a big budget movie and is waiting to release on theatres once this lockdown is over.
ஒரு செய்தி தமிழ்நாடு திரையரங்குகளை அதிர்ச்சியில் ஆழ்த்தியது. அதிலே பொன்மகள் வந்தால் இந்த திரைப்படம் ஓடிடி பிளாட்பாரத்தில் விற்பனையாக இருப்பதாகவும் அது திரையரங்குக்கு வருவதற்கு முன்னே அதில் வெளியிடப்படும் என்றும் ஒரு செய்தி வந்தது. அதைக் கண்டு நாங்கள் மிகவும் அதிர்ச்சியும் வேதனையும் அடைந்தோம். திரையரங்குகளுக்காக தயாரிக்கப்பட்ட படங்கள் திரையரங்கில் வெளியான பிறகுதான் மற்ற மீடியாக்களில் வெளிவர வேண்டும் என்பதுதான் ஒரு விதி. அதை மீறி இந்த தயாரிப்பாளர் அவர் திரைப்படத்தை ஓடிடி பிளாட்பாரத்தில் கொடுத்து விட்டார். அதை நாங்கள் வன்மையாக கண்டிருக்கின்றோம். அந்த தயாரிப்பாளரை
Entertainment company about this development, but nobody spoke to them. They did not hear to them, and they were not ready to release the film on theatre. And you will know that why that Surya's company has gone to OTT platform, because due to this COVID-19, there is a lockdown, country-wise lockdown. People are staying at home, and there is no chance then when this is going to be open. As per sources, in Singapore and Malaysia, it is going to be open in August, and in Europe it is in September, and in USA it is going to open in December. So it is a big time, they cannot wait, and people are staying at home, so this is the right time to release their movie on OTT platform so that people, those who are staying at home, they can watch their movie. And what the producer want? They want whatever the production cost, they should get it back and some profit. And of course they got a good price for their movie, and that's why they have released their movie, they have sold their movie. As per news, they have sold their movie to Prime Video, and Prime Video is releasing it on 29th of May 2020. But it will be very interesting to see that what about their big budget movie Surari Potru, where they will release it. They have planned it to release on theatre, and the Theatre Association, they are planning to ban Surya's all movies. All movies of Surya's will be banned on Tamil Nadu theatres. So it will be interesting that how they are going to release it, and finally it will be not good for the viewers. The viewers, there is one point here also regarding the viewers, that all the viewers, they don't have money or they don't have membership for Netflix or Prime Video. You know that for Prime Video or Netflix or Hotstar, you have to pay some amount monthly. Maybe 600 or 700 you have to pay monthly. But the people in Tamil Nadu or anywhere in the country, everybody, especially the lower classes, they will not have these facilities. They don't have internet connections at home. They have only TV, and they don't have money to pay every month 700 to 800 rupees for this channels like Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, ZEE5. So the movie will not reach to all the viewers of Tamil Nadu, and many of them will be not able to see the movie which Surya Studio Entertainment is releasing on Prime Video. If rumor is to be believed, then the Akshay Kumar starrer movie Lakshmi Bomb is also planning to a digital premiere for their movie, and most probably the buyer is Disney plus Hotstar. They are going to buy this movie. The director of this Pon Magal Bandhal is Mr. J.J. Frederick, who in his statement said that he was very keen to release their movie on theatres. But due to this COVID-19, there are no chances, and when this lockdown will be open, this lockdown will be over, there will be a big queues for releasing the movies. Friends, now I would like to conclude. Before concluding, I would request, please subscribe my channel. If you have not done so, please like and share. Thank you.